Hello, hello. This is Enta and welcome to Season 13 of Sample Genie. Kicking off this season, we have a production masterclass split into 4 parts. In part 1, we're going to be doing an in-depth walkthrough of my track Murderware on Trendkill Records. We'll be going through the drums, the bass line, the orchestral parts in the intro, and the challenges I faced trying to get this track mixed down. It's a lot of fun. In part 2, we're going to be creating a bass sound from scratch using Serum 2 and Replica XT. In part 3, we're going to be taking one of my drum breaks and turning it into a synth using the sampler in Serum 2. In part 4, we're going to be taking a look at some of my favourite plugins. Let's go.